peligroso.
These are kids hanging on the back of a truck, getting to school. They ain't got much choice because there's not many trucks this morning. Yeah, it's a really bumpy, vibrating road, so they're going to be holding on hard, especially those holding on at the top. That's going to be a real hard workout for them. Poor kids. Real. And there's more kids that want to go to school. We need a bigger car. Maybe we need a trailer every morning to pick up kids wanting to go to school. So we're up in the jungle. We visited a very poor family. We went past a while back and we said we would come back. So we have vegetables. Are you going to give him some beans and rice as well, Nemo? It would be nice to do all of it, right? Because it's the first time we've actually been here. The guy's dad's died. His mum's alive, but she's not very well, but she's not here at the moment. And you can see the house there. I'll try and catch up some of the house. My fingers are so big. I get in the way, but
Señor, y todo aquel que cree en ti será sanado, Señor. Por eso creemos, Señor, que tú puedes sanar a Marlene, Padre. Si hay algo, Señor, espiritual también, en el nombre de Jesús, nosotros rogamos para que tú produzcas esa sanidad también espiritual, Señor. Sabemos que tú siempre miras primero lo espiritual, Señor, y luego lo carnal.
There's another family. They produce butternut squash here, and we just gave them a blessing. They live in wooden shacks with mud. Yeah, we're getting to know them. So we came back to the Green Mountain, Monte Verde, the beautiful little village which is struggling. People living in mud houses, people suffering with malnutrition, cases of cancer, other problems here. But yeah, poverty was the biggest problem. And this time we came with more baby clothes. So this lady's got a baby on her back, and you can see, you can't see the baby because it's a traditional way of carrying a baby. You know, a big cloth that's wrapped around your body. So the baby's underneath there, but she's got lots of baby clothes now. So we've been able to really bless this lady. She lives in this little wooden shack here. Well, I can't go in and show you because that wouldn't be respectful, but if you look in there you can see, let's see if I can zoom in, there's a table which is a bed basically. There's not a proper bed in there, there's no mattress, it's just like wooden panels on top of some posts where they sleep. Really basic. Maybe in the future we can help in other ways. So this lady cooks on fire, but right now the fire's gone out. This is her stove. The firewood normally goes underneath. She's obviously put a cover on to stop the rain making it completely wet. But that's a mud stove. So I'm guessing she hasn't been able to cook recently because we've had a lot of rain. But yeah, people not without a bed to lie on with babies and kids. It's just something you wouldn't dream about, right? You just, if you had that in England, you'd be shocked, right? And we're shocking here, even in Bolivia, but we are learning that it's quite common for people not to have a proper bed. So yeah, lots to do here. In the future, maybe there's an opportunity to give somebody a mattress here, and also buy a gas stove and a can of gas. And so normally buying the can of gas is really expensive for these people. It's like a week's work is the price of one gas can for these people. So giving them a gas can is a huge step up, and will empower them to do things differently and to start to make changes in their life that are different, and have long-term benefits for them and their community. You know, cooking on fire and breathing in fire the whole time that they are cooking is really not good for their health at all. Yeah. There you go.
So Isa is bringing more food. We are visiting this family here, then wash them clothes there outside. The lady is ill, and we are going to pray for her. It's the house where she lives. Yeah, you can come in. That's the house, and then you can see the way how they live. The little girl, so skinny.
Yo soy muy alto. Hola, ¿cómo
She
estás?
has gastritis, and if you can give some advice on natural medicine, because she doesn't know. Gracias por la vida aquí de Tomasa, de Delia, Señor. Padre, tú sabes, Señor, la enfermedad que ella está pasando, ese problema de gastritis, Señor, que está afectando su vida, su cuerpo, que descienda de lo alto la sanidad absoluta para que esa gastritis sea sanada, sea curada, todas las heridas que hayan en el estómago en este momento.
What are you doing, guys?
We're reading.
You're weeding? Are these your sunflowers?
Yeah.
Wow, they're great. Look at this one. You've got the chickens helping as well. Look at this one with the butterflies.
Even the cats are helping.
You see the butterflies?
Even this one, look. Baiting him.
Uh-huh.
Even the other day I showed him Daddy.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Spray
Well,
them
you spraying them with something. What are you spraying them with? Because
with,
we like to do things organically here, don't we? I'm trying to
yeah.
let that get a bit more steady.
This is spraying.
There you go, that's the caterpillars there.
You wanna look at this.
What is that?
caterpillar.
Not too close, Amelia. You want to spray it from afar. That's it, so you get a spray. That's it. Well done. What is in there? You need what's in the spray. You know what's in the spray, don't you?
Water, vinegar, and shampoo.
And shampoo.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Is it helping
this
to
one.
deter the
Yeah.
caterpillars? Well done.
We was coming back from the town because we was selling mandarins, and now we got stuck. Not sure how we will. It's quite deep also, the water. As you see the car, yeah, we'll see. I hope so we can come now. It's quite deep. Oh, yeah. He came water into my Wellingtons. That's it.
This is why you keep chickens in Bolivia. A minute ago, and I didn't catch it on camera, but they were all surrounding the snake, and the snake was scared of the chickens, but they will attack and they will eat the snake.
So Isa just now found the snake. She's the dangerous, and he called us to warn us that we must. It's a bit scary. It's a bit scary. No, careful, girls, careful. That is a poisonous. That's a dangerous one. Oh, look at that. Mamma mia.
What are you doing? You got your head right next to the bees.
Yeah.
What's that? Ah. Oh yeah, but look carefully. You see the face there. Wow, that's gonna look great when it's done, honey bunch. It's starting to take shape already. Yeah, steady hands. It's Saturday. It's a family day. Are you dancing with the cats, girls? Careful. Come on. They really trust you, don't they, those cats? Oh, not sure you like that one very much. I think she wants to get down. Hey, it's a boy. It's a boy.
That is impressive, impressive. How much water just for maybe. Woo, that is incredible. That is an Amazon. Wow.
So today we got stuck on the other side of the river. We can't get in.